guys, good morning and welcome to day 11 of Vlogmas. I'm gonna open these blinds. I have makeup on and I'm already dressed because we're gonna be taking a Christmas picture for my grandma at my mom's house, and then I think we're gonna go to Costco, run some errands, and then I'm gonna see what my dad has planned today. I have Bentley right here. I got him this new bone yesterday after he went to the groomers. Do you love it? And I got him his new collar. It's over there. I just gotta put it on. He kept like shaking in the middle of the night, and it was like this really loud ringing. Like I thought it was snowing. I don't know why. But yeah, I just curled my hair, put some makeup on. Yeah. Now I need to eat something. I'm hungry. Okay, so okay, you can't see me. Okay, so I'm going to my mom's house right now, and we're, I think, gonna go to Costco, I think I said that before, I don't know. And then I'm not really sure what we're gonna do today. This one's like running out, I'm so sad. This one's my favorite. Bentley was literally so crazy in the house. He was whining and crying. He wants to see my mom's dogs, Angie and Daisy, so bad. Do you see his new collar? Ooh, you look so cute. Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna drive to my mom's house. My mom and dad's house right now. And then yeah, I'll just play it by ear and see what we're doing today. I know the feeling. Yeah. Alright. That's cute. Same jacket. That's cute.
Up near the top 10.
I know.
Pretty old
yeah.
in the district.
I forgot.
And the oldest one, not the oldest, but
PJs. 3? 2? Hi, girl.
Something that you would see in springtime or early fall, not something you would see in December, especially in places that were farther to the south, like Memphis, where the temperature was 78 degrees yesterday. We're talking about heading into the middle of December. That was fuel for these storms as the cold front pushed through. It helped to really give a little bit of oomph to the storms that were feeding off of that heating of the day. There's the devastating cell that came through and eventually went through Mayfield.
I'm just sitting at my mom's house now. We went to the Wheaton House kitchen tab, and now we're just relaxing. And then we're gonna take our Christmas picture soon. Cute picture with Minnie.
Cold enough to make you shiver, but not cold enough to snow. Cold enough to know it's winter, perfect time to say our first hello. Scarves and sweaters bundled up in cotton, knowing names that wouldn't be forgotten, laughing over our sense of humor underneath the Christmas lights that glow. I'm glad I got to know you better. We've come so far since that December. Who would have known I would have made my best friend on that night? Under 1,000 and Christmas lights.
No, this one's farmer garden. This one smells like like spring and Charleston.
Okay, I'm gonna do my skincare routine because I haven't shown this in a while. So I'm gonna put you guys maybe here. And what I'm gonna do, yeah, that works, is I'm gonna remove with my makeup with this first. And then I'm going to wash my face with the Tula cleanser. And then I'm going to apply my number 7. I've been liking this lately because my skin is so dry in the winter, and this has been helping. And then I'm going to apply my Clarins Super Lift Eye Serum. I'm just telling you guys all this so that when I'm doing it, you know what I'm using. I'm going to apply my Laneige lip mask. And I think that's it. So I'm gonna do that right now.
I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind. And she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine. I take the long way home, avoid what I can't let go. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do, 'cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue. 'Cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn, back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I don't always think about you till First Avenue. That's when I do. That's when I do. I guess the truth is I can't leave memories.
Perfect. All good. I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas. It's a little shorter than my other ones, but we just didn't do that much today. So if you guys like this vlog, hit the like button and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow.